Hey there, everyone. Gregg Johnson with the Entrepreneur Dad, back with another film about LeadsLeap. Today, I'm going to be focused on the traffic portion under here in advertising about posting pro ads. What I really like about this part of the platform is you have up to 10 ads that you get to post and can be accessible 24/7. This is a pro membership feature that you can get by just upgrading your account. It's $27 a month. Really, really low cost compared to a lot of the other platforms that are out there. Could be charging you 70, 80, 100, even $300 a month that I've seen for some of the others that don't even have all of these type of features. So, but what I can show you is just in the last 7 days, I've seen 350 clicks. And since I joined in December, I've got over 4,400 clicks. So this is giving me traffic that constantly runs in the background, giving me an opportunity to promote lots of different offers. I can keep the same ones, or I can rotate them in and out. So I'm going to show you how really simple it is to create an ad. So we're going to come in here, and I'm going to promote one of my top businesses. It's called Pariba. And what I'll do is I'll grab this link right here. Really, really fantastic platform. This one actually is a cryptocurrency platform, but it earns Bitcoin on demand. It's a passive income source. I'll actually drop the link down in the video so that you can check it out as well. Very, very powerful platform for compounding your profits daily. And that happens 4 days a week. Very sustainable platform, been around for a couple of years now. Really, really like what I'm seeing with the results. So here we'll do earn Bitcoin on demand, and then 100% passive income. All right. Then we'll come in here and we're going to go ahead and grab an image. I have already, so let me show you. There's another platform I like using called Cloudinary. It's a hosting website that gives you a chance to keep all of your pictures. I use it for a lot of advertising. And so what I've got here is let me see if I can make that a little bit bigger. So I've got all the different ones that I have gathered for Pariba. So I've gone ahead and downloaded this one right here, making sure that it is that 300 by 250 size. So I'm going to go ahead and upload it. Got it right there. Hit OK. Boom. And if for some reason it doesn't fit within there, it'll give you a chance to modify it, or you might want to use another tool that can help you get it to the right size. Then just hit OK. Then we're going to pick the comment category. This will be cryptocurrency. It's going to be a standard ad. And then I can also link this. So because I have done a social review, I'm going to link that to my Pariba world that I have already done and set up. And then I can preview it real quick, see what it's going to look like. So there it is. And then other people can come in here and review it. You click on the link here in the window. You can see exactly what it's going to do when it pulls it up. Well, let's try that one more time. Let's save it. Let's preview it one more time. There we go. Just need to save it the first time. And so there you go. Yeah, as you can see, here's the ad right here. And then you got a little pop-up. So there we go. So once you have it, I'm going to go ahead and save it and submit. And I'm going to hit OK. Now let me show you with another one of my offers, just to give you an idea. So it's the same offer, just using a different picture, but you can go in here and you can actually see the traffic details. This is one thing that I really like. You can actually see by the types of visitors. Are these members or non-members? You can see it over a couple different periods of time. You can also see how long they're actually surfing it. So in this case, I've got a video on that front page of my offer. Are they actually sitting there and watching that video? And some of them have made it a good ways into it. At least the first 5, 10, 20 seconds has got a pretty good showing. And then, of course, you're going to have just attrition as it goes on. But this is really great to see. Am I getting here the total real visits? How many unique? So if somebody comes back in and clicks it twice, that's not going to be a unique visitor. You actually need to have it's seeing how many different people are clicking on. And in this case, I've also had 2 non-members that have clicked on it. So yeah, really great. You can go in there and you can change it as often as you want. You can also, if you change your verbiage for the same offer, you can go in there and click it so that you can test different types of ad copy, see which one might be working best and attracting the right type of visitors. But that's all for the pro ads today. Hope you enjoyed the video. And as I said, I'll drop the link below for my top recommendation, which is Pariba. I'll also include the LeadsLeap free lifetime membership link so that you can check that out as well. See you in the next video.